In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload images Klaviyo. Uploading images into Klaviyo is a useful skill because it helps you keep your branding consistent across email templates, campaigns, and flows. Once your images are stored in Klaviyo, you can quickly reuse them without uploading the same files again, and you can keep everything organized in one place. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and looking at your main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see the main navigation menu. Find and click Content. This is where Klaviyo keeps the tools related to what you build and design, including assets like images. After you click Content, look for the option called Media and Brand and select it. This area is focused on the files and brand resources you will use in your marketing. It is also a good place to confirm that you are uploading the right version of your logo, product photos, or promotional graphics, especially if multiple people work in the same account. Next, click Images. This opens your image library where uploaded image files are stored and displayed. If you already have images here, you will see them listed, which can help you avoid duplicates. Before uploading, it is a good idea to name your files clearly on your computer, since recognizable names make it easier to locate and manage assets later. Now, go to the top right corner of the page and click Upload Image. A file upload window will appear. At this point, you have two easy options. You can drag and drop your image files directly into the upload window, or you can click inside the window to browse your computer and select the files manually. When choosing images, aim for clean, high-quality files that match your intended use. For email designs, smaller file sizes can help emails load faster, so it can be helpful to upload optimized images whenever possible. Once the files are added, let the upload complete, and your images will be available in the images library for you to use in your Klaviyo content. And that is all there is to it.